Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Monarch replacement solenoid that you would have seen in their EL devices on their 17 and 18 series, certainly. It was listed for the 19. I'm not sure there was anything ever electric latch retraction on a 19. I think that's a typo. 17 and 18, certainly. This would be called the old style Monarch EL solenoid. Now with what you're getting here, and this is an OEM product, however with this you're going to need to reuse your existing spring and guide. All that we're able to produce for you here is the solenoid assembly and of course the two leads. And this video is to really serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Probably about 4 foot of line there of not good when it drops on the tip, and thankfully it did not. If you ever drop a tape measure, you want to make sure, immediately check to make sure it's not bent this tip. You're going to be off. If it falls anywhere else, it's all good. But I was taught by someone who knows, if you drop your tape measure, that's the first thing you're going to check. So we are good in that department, thankfully. I said 4 foot. I am really good. 47 inch is the length of that lead. It is not heavy. Pardon me. It's not light, I should say. Weighs about 1.8 pounds. So it's a pretty heavy piece of material. Overall length of the body, about 3 7/8. Overall height to the mounting posts down below, about 1.5 inches. Thickness, about 1.1 1/8. Okay. That solenoid driver that's in there. Okay, that's what's obviously going to move when you are working the device. And this is the replacement old solenoid. The part number we had for this was 650092. Not much to say about this. If you contact the factory on this solenoid, they're going to say that that's long discontinued, that the only path forward is to replace the entire device. And there are certainly times when replacing the entire device is the only path forward. But in this case, it's not. So if you have a 17 or an 18 series device, not an XX, but a 17 or 18, you need your electric latch retraction rebuilt. This very likely is going to solve the problem. And the purpose of this video is to really provide dimensional and visual evidence of what exactly this is. When you buy one of these, we're going to send you one of these. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page. Monarch being a name that has been phased into the brand Falcon. You will still find Monarch branded documents that are there, whatever we've had in the past, any encyclopedic documents, older versions of the catalogs, parts lists, templates, things of that nature, we would leave there. Any questions on the Monarch old replacement solenoid and plunger, or any other Monarch product, please, or Falcon, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.